Litter of Pomeranian puppies. 2 girls, 1 boy available. 1 sold. They are ready to go on May 9th. These are cute little puppies. If there's any breeders out there that have puppies like this, if you want to sell them quick, bring it to us. We sell them to you. We sell them for you, no charge to you. These are gorgeous. These are Cavapoos, 3 males, all sold. They're sold. First day on website, sold them all. Again, any breeders with Cavapoos, Cavaliers, it doesn't matter. If you have puppies you want me to sell, I can sell them for you, no charge to you. Please call. These are gorgeous. First day, sold. Papitos. Papito. Two French Bulldogs. Brando is sold. Just got here, first day. 1 sold, 1 ready to go tomorrow. Actually, ready to go on the 9th. These are gorgeous little puppies. Playful, happy, ready to go on the 9th. Shih Tzus, cute litter of Shih Tzu puppies. We have 3 boys, 1 girl sold. 3 boys available. They're ready on the 9th. These are cute little things, no shedding. Ready to go on the 9th. Hey little guys! Hui! Hui! Pomeranians. These are ready to go. Right now, they're ready to go. But there's only 1 left. It's 1 girl. The black and tan is sold. The sable is here ready to go. We wish we had more breeders. Please call us if you have puppies. They are cute as hell. Too many Schnauzers. They were ready to go. They sold all. They sold right away. They are gone. Not available. All sold. Wish we had more. Anybody's got many Schnauzers for sale, bring it to us. We can place them for you. No cost. English Bulldogs. We actually had 4. We have one boy available, 1 male. Again, they actually been here for 1 week. Everything sold except 1 boy. These are ready to go. Playful. Beautiful blue Boston Terrier puppies. Not ready to go until the 9th of May. These are gorgeous. They have shots, dewormings, microchips. All of these puppies have microchips, health certificates, registration, ready to go on the 9th. Beautiful. Boo, boo, boo. Hey. Little Yorkie. Ready to go on the 10th, but he's sold. Was here for one day, went on a website, sold. This is better than anything else. If you have puppies for sale, call local breeders. We can place them for you. We'll find them good homes. Non-shedding, hypoallergenic, beautiful puppy. It's a little boy. Look at him. Look at him. 3 mini Dachshunds, hot dogs, or Dachshunds. They are 2 boys, 1 girl. 2 boys, 1 girl. Ready to go on the 9th. Shots, microchips, health certificate. Got everything they need. Ready to go on the 9th. Maltipoos, beautiful. All of them ready to go on the 9th, but 4 sold. No, yeah, four been sold, 1 girl available. They'll be ready to go on the 9th. And that's all we have. We wish we had more. Again, I remind any breeder out there that has puppies, Yorkies, Maltese, Poodles, Bichons, it doesn't matter. If you have little puppies for sale, you can place them with us. We place them in good homes for you, and we charge you nothing to place them in good homes. Please call. Thank you.